I bet all of you have seen multiple Tom Cruise movies. The toys in these spy movies are often futuristic and the spies play with them like an everyday routine. The most commonplace technology they use is the changing of voices by putting a pair of stickers on their throats. Now, what if I tell you that the latest scientific breakthrough allows the scientists not only to mimic the sounds but can replicate the whole vocal tract? Pretty amazing to listen to, isn't it? Well, it's true. The technology had existed from 2003. But at first it was used only to print some tissues, not working organs. Most recently, scientists have exactly replicated the vocal tract of a long-dead and preserved mummy, which not only has the exact shape but can also mimic the sound of the pharaoh as if he was living when the air passes through it in certain patterns and strikes the vocal cords. That's how we produce sound, and you already knew that. Right, the question arises that how the scientists performed this miraculous feat. The organ was printed, quite ironically, using an inkjet printer. Not the ones you use at the Xerox shop, but rather special ones that had cartilages filled with living cells and a shrewd gel utilized for the structure. Well, there you go. The next time somebody faces a failed organ, just gift him a 3D bioprinted one for his birthday. The scientists have tested the vocal tract multiple times and found the sound quality to be quite amusing. What are the practical uses? Well, for one, it can obviously turn out great for some new and exciting museum tours where they have some old mummies resting, and who knows, maybe the tomb raiding business of Lara Crofts can use some of the prop effects to make it a bit more colorful.